about support, you tell them. Even if you're scared that it's not the right thing, even if you're scared that it'll cause problems, even if you're scared that you'll burn your life to the ground, you say it loud.